Whoa, hello. Yes, I am wearing the same thing. My goodness gracious, do I not do laundry in this house? I do not think so. No, I do. This is actually fresh out the laundry, and this is like literally 30 seconds from when I ended the last video. But what I want to do is I want to show you one keto recipe that I personally like. I actually use this on my cheat days just because it is protein heavy, but it's not carb heavy. So, the reason why I like this is just because it gives me something different outside of the norm, and it allows me to basically experience with a whole bunch of different flavors, which are keto friendly, in a chicken wing. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. Ah man, you can tell. Anyways, that was nerdy. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna show you how I make my tandoori chicken wing. It's my style, my way, incorporated my mom's way, so a little bit of her flavor. And I'm gonna show you how I make it. I like braising it, cooking it nice, low and slow in the oven, so it's just fall off the bone tender. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so stick with me. I'm gonna show you this recipe. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy to follow. This is the chef symbol. I ain't gonna play that cheesy music. We're just gonna get right into it.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start.
Alright guys, so let me show you guys how easy this chicken wing recipe is. It's super quick, super simple, mad easy to do. Doesn't require too many ingredients. Realistically, I think I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ingredients, that's including the chicken wings. Rest of it is all simple. You got salt and pepper as 2 of those 9 ingredients. We're already down to 6. So majority of these ingredients you can find either at a regular store. You can go to Indian grocers. There's tons of them around where you can find those, such as Tandoori Masala or Tandoori spice powder. And that's a beautiful red. That's what gives it its nice, beautiful red glow. That's what that looks like. You got something called Methi. Methi is sort of like a dried herb in Indian foods. Gives it such a nice, good flavor. Just kind of think of it as like an Indian oregano. And if you want to take a quick look, that's what that looks like. Okay, you got ginger garlic paste, which is mixed into one. You got oil, you got lemon juice, you have garam masala. Some of you will know what that is because it's very common. You can find that pretty much anywhere. It's a nice blend of cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, stuff like that that make that spice kick. And then yeah, that's put in a little bit of cumin, and I want to put in my little twist and take, which would be ghost pepper sauce, just because I like my wings a little bit spicy. So needless to say, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by putting our tandoori powder in here. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna make it nice and red. Followed with tandoori powder, we're going to hit it with some salt and pepper. Now the tandoori powder is 2 teaspoons, salt and pepper, about a teaspoon apiece. Okay, after the salt and pepper, we're gonna hit it with some garam masala. And the garam masala is about a teaspoon. After that, we're gonna go with methi, and that's gonna give it a beautiful flavor. That one we're gonna do about a tablespoon. Okay, and then we're going to take the juice of a lemon and place that in. So that should be roughly about 2 tablespoons. And then a tablespoon of oil. Okay, and we're going to finish that off with our cumin. And we're going to take our hands and we're just going to mix it in, massage it in with the chicken wings. And what that's going to do is just going to make sure that every single piece of wing is incorporated. That's the key thing, guys. God gave you these hands, they're grabbers, use them. All right, so key thing, let it marinate. We're gonna let it sit for maybe about 50 minutes or so, I'd say 50 minutes. So we're gonna let it sit for 50 minutes, And we're gonna let these wings kind of get happy with each other, and then we're going to slide them into the oven and let them go low and slow on 325 degrees for about 45 minutes. And what that's going to do is the excess liquid is going to start, you know, pulling out of the chicken wings. The fat's going to start coming out of the chicken wings, and you're going to see a beautiful little sauce reduction on your chicken wings, and it's going to be nice and braised, and those wings are just going to fall off the bone. That's what we're looking for, guys. So let's see what they look like when they come out of the oven.
Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that is it. We have actually pulled these wings out of the oven exactly at 45 minutes. It's perfection. Perfection. It's exactly what you need. 325 degrees, 45 minutes, and you're good to go. Created a nice little salad with it. These wings are nice, they're spicy, they have that nice tandoori flavor, especially when you put it in the oven for as long as that. Everything kind of has a chance to party. Quick, simple keto meal. It's nice chicken wings with a salad. You can't go wrong with that. Chicken wings got the fat in them with some protein. You know, the extra virgin olive oil got that fat. Then, you know, lemon, keeping it nice and healthy, not healthy, but nice and simple. Obviously, if you're not on keto, you might want to cut down on some of the oil, but otherwise, you're good to go. That's what it's about. So I hope you guys enjoy the wings. I hope you guys actually try them out. I got my plate right over here. I'm going to flip them out over to you. Bang, bang. That's what it's about. These are wings. And if you can see over here, that's a shiny, glistening wing. That's what it's about. And literally, you can just break it. And literally right off the bone, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm gonna go and crush these. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do try this recipe, let me know. Alright? Deuce. Enjoy your keto. Enjoy my recipes. I'm back, baby. And we're gonna do it big. 2021. Let's go. Chef Symbol. I'm out.